Today I'm cooking a delicious scrambled egg sandwich for breakfast. I have used croissant for this recipe, but any type of soft bread works too. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 6 eggs, 50 ml of full cream milk, 25 grams of butter, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, and 1 stalk of spring onions. The full list of the ingredients is in the See More link. Start with cracking the eggs. I like to crack eggs one by one, so if any of the egg is bad, the rest will not be contaminated. Alright, all the eggs are good. Lightly beat the eggs for a few seconds. Now we can go and cook it. Switch on the heat. Add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, all the eggs, milk, and spring onions. Gently stir the eggs from the side of the pan to the center so that the heat from the bottom of the pan can slowly cook the eggs. Add in all the butter. Continue to stir for another 1.5 minutes. Notice that eggs are slowly getting cooked and some parts are still wet. This consistency is good as the scrambled eggs texture should be soft. After 1.5 minutes, the eggs looks perfect and delicious. Switch off the heat. Immediately transfer to the serving plate as the residual heat from the pan will continue cooking and firming up the scrambled eggs. Now we will prepare the sandwich. I have bought some croissant and sliced fresh cucumber and tomatoes. Cut the croissant into half. Brush the inside with some butter. Layer with tomato slices, cucumber, and scrambled eggs. Sprinkle some pepper and salt over the scrambled eggs. One lovely serving is ready. I will continue to make 2 more sandwiches for my family. Alright, all 3 scrambled egg sandwiches are ready to be served. Let's eat! Oh wow, this is so good! The scrambled egg is really soft, contrasting with crunchy vegetable. It goes very well with croissant. This is a really good breakfast. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.